Question: if a star b is equal to 2 into a plus b, then 5 star 2 is equal to. So in this question is given that a star b is equal to 2 into a plus b. So we replace a by 5 and b by 2. So we get 5 star 2 is equal to 2 into 5 plus 2. 2 into 7, so 14. So which is the required answer? B is the correct answer. Question: if a star b is equal to a into b, then the value of 5 star 3 is. So here given a star b is equal to ab. So 5 star 3 is equal to 5 into 3. So 5 3 is 15. Answer. So A is the correct answer. If x star y is equal to x plus 3 whole square into y minus 1, then the value of 5 star 4 is. So here given x star y is equal to x plus 3 whole square into y minus 1. So now we replace x by 5 and y by 4. So is equal to 5 plus 3 whole square into 4 minus 1. 5 plus 3, 8 whole square into 3. So 64 into 3, and 64 3 is 192. Answer. So option D is the correct answer. If x star y is equal to x square plus y square minus xy, then the value of 9 star 11 is. So here given x star y is equal to x square plus y square minus xy. So now we replace x by 9 and y by 11. So we get 9 star 11 is equal to 9 square plus 11 square minus 9 into 11. So is equal to 81 plus 121 minus 99, and 81 plus 121 is equal to 202 minus 99. So is equal to 301. So option B is the correct answer. If a star b is equal to a plus b plus ab, then 3 star 4 minus 2 star 3 is equal to. So here given a star b is equal to a plus b plus ab. 3 star 4 is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 3 into 4. So 7 plus 12, 19, and 2 star 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 2 into 3. So 11. So therefore 3 star 4 minus 2 star 3 is equal to 19 minus 11. So is equal to 8. Answer. So option C is the correct answer. If a asterisk b is equal to a to the power b, then the value of 5 asterisk 3 is. So in this question is given that a asterisk b is equal to a to the power b, and now we replace a by 5 and b by 3. So 5 asterisk 3 is equal to 5 to the power 3. So is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 125. Answer. So option C is the correct answer. If a asterisk b is equal to 2a minus 3b plus ab, then 3 asterisk 5 plus 5 asterisk 3 is equal to. So in this question given a asterisk b is equal to 2a minus 3b plus ab. 3 asterisk 5 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3 into 5 plus 3 into 5. So is equal to 6 minus 15 plus 15. So here 15 cancel is equal to 6. And 5 asterisk 3 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 3. So is equal to 10 minus 9 plus 15. So is equal to 25 minus 9. So is equal to 16. So therefore 3 asterisk 5 plus 5 asterisk 3. So is equal to 6 plus 16. So 22. Answer. So option A is the correct answer. If x asterisk y is equal to x square plus y square minus xy, then 11 asterisk 13 is. So here x asterisk y is given x square plus y square minus x into y. And now we replace x by 11 and y by 13. So we get 11 asterisk 13 is equal to 11 square plus 13 square minus 11 into 13. So is equal to 121 plus 169 minus 143. So equal to 290 minus 143. So is equal to 147. Answer. So option C is the correct answer. If P cross Q equal to P plus Q plus P upon Q, then value of 8 cross 2 is. So here given that P cross Q is equal to P plus Q plus P upon Q. And now we replace P by 8 and Q by 2. So we get 8 cross 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 plus 8 upon 2. 4 to the 8. So 8 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 40. Answer. So option B is the correct one. If a circle crossing line B equal to A multiply B plus B, then 5 circle crossing line 7 equal to A circle crossing lines B is equal to A multiply B plus B. So now we replace A by 5 and B by 7. So 5 circle crossing lines 7 is equal to 5 multiply 7 plus 7. So is equal to 35 plus 7. So equal to 42. Answer. So option B is the correct answer. Question: if A upon 3 equal to B upon 2, then value of 2A plus 3B upon 3A minus 2B is. So here given that A upon 3 equal to B upon 2. So let K. So therefore A equal to 3K and B equal to 2K. Therefore 2A plus 3B upon 3A minus 2B is equal to 2 into 3K plus 3 into 2K upon 3 into 3K minus 2 into 2K. So is equal to 6K plus 6K upon 9k minus 4k. So 12k upon 5k. So k cancel. 12 upon 5 answer. Alternate method. Here given a upon 3 equal to b upon 2. And after alternate do we get a upon b is equal to 3 upon 2. So therefore 2a plus 3b upon 3a minus 2b is equal to, taking b as a common from first two parts, so 2a upon b plus 3 upon 3 into a upon b minus 2. So here b cancel. So is equal to 2 into 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 3 into 3 upon 2 minus 2. So is equal to 6 plus 6 upon 2 and 9 minus 4 upon 2. So 2 cancel. So 12 upon 5 answer. So option C is the correct answer. If x upon y equal to 3 upon 4, then the value of 6 upon 7 plus y minus x upon y plus x is. So here given x upon y is equal to 3 upon 4. So let x is equal to 3k and y equal to 4k. So therefore 6 upon 7 plus y minus x upon y plus x is equal to 6 upon 7 plus 4k minus 3k upon 4k plus 3k. So is equal to 6 upon 7 plus 1k upon 7k. So k cancel. So 6 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7. Its LCM is 7. 6 plus 1. So 7 upon 7 cancel by 1. So 1 is the required answer. So option D is the correct answer. Question: if 7 to the power x equal to 1 upon 343, then the value of x is. So here given 7 to the power x is equal to 1 upon 343. So 7 to the power x is equal to 1 upon 343 is the 7 to the power 3. So 7 to the power x is equal to 7 to the power minus 3. So here base are identical. So therefore x is equal to minus 3. Answer. So option A is the correct answer. If 3 to the power x plus 3 plus 7 equal to 250, then x is equal to. So here given that 3 to the power x plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 250. So 3 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 250 minus 7. So implies that 3 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 243. 3 to the power x plus 3 and 243 is the power of 3 to the power 5. Here base are identical. So x plus 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 3. So x is equal to 2. Answer. So option B is the correct answer. If 4 to the power 4x plus 1 equal to 1 upon 64, then the value of x is. So इसमें क्या given है, 4 to the power 4x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 64 दिया है, तो हमें x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. सो 4 टू द पावर 4x प्लस 1 और 64 जो होता है 4 की पावर क्यूब. सो 4 टू द पावर 4x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू, ये 4 टू द पावर क्या होगा -3, सिंस 1/a⁴m को हम लिख सकते हैं ऐसे। सो बेस सेम है तो क्या होगा, इसमें सिर्फ पावर आएगा। 4x + 1 = -3 implies that 4x = -3 - 1, so 4x = -4, so therefore x = -4/4 -1 answer. So option A is the correct answer. If √2 to the power x = 256, then the value of x is, तो इसमें गिवन है √2 to the power x is equal to 256, implies that रूट को हम लिखते हैं क्या, पावर 1/2, और 256 अगर हम फैक्टर निकालेंगे तो 2 की पावर क्या होगा, 8, और ये होगा, सिंस a⁴m to the power n अगर रहता है तो क्या होता है, पावर मल्टीप्लाई होता है। सो 2 to the power x/2 is equal to 2 to the power 8। बेस से में तो क्या होगा, ओनली पावर वाले पार्ट, और इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या होगा, 16 x की वैल्यू आंसर। सो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। If 64 to the power x + 1 equal to 64/4 to the power x, then the value of x is, so here given 64 to the power x + 1 is equal to 64/4 to the power x. 64 is the power of 4 to the power 3 is equal to 4 to the power cube upon 4 to the power x, and we know that a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n, and a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So 4 to the power 3x plus 3 equal to 4 to the power 3 minus x. Here base are same, so 3x plus 3 is equal to 3 minus x. So 3x plus x is equal to 3 minus 3, so 4x is equal to 0. So therefore x equal to 0/4 equal to 0 answer. So option A is the correct answer. If 2 to the power x plus 3 equal to 32, then the value of 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to, so here given that 2 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 32, 2 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 32 is the power of 2 to the power 5, so here base are same, so x plus 3 is equal to 5, so x is equal to 5 minus 3, so x equal to 2, so therefore 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 2 plus 1, so 3 to the power 3, so is equal to 27 answer. So option B is the correct answer. If 5 to the power 5x plus 5 equal to 1, then x equals, so here given that 5 to the power 5x plus 5 is equal to 1, so 5 to the power 5x plus 5 and 5 to the power 0, since x to the power 0 is equal to 1, so here base are equal, so 5x plus 5 is equal to 0, so 5x is equal to minus 5, so therefore x equal to minus 5/5 minus 1 answer. So option B is the correct answer.